together with Ali Madawi, and you are watching this presentation because you are either an existing entrepreneur and you would like to scale your business, or you'd like to be an entrepreneur and you haven't got a clue where to start or how to begin. This presentation is for you, whether you want to launch and scale a business or you already have a business. We're going to be sharing with you the amazing community of the Young Entrepreneur Project. So what does that look like? Let's get started.
Hey everybody, Ali Madawi in here, founder member of the Young Entrepreneur Project. And today I'm going to educate you on what is the Young Entrepreneur Project, how does it work, and is it something that you can do? So first things first, let's go and dig right into it and understand that today we're going to talk about growth plus opportunity. See, within this presentation, there will be a business opportunity offer. Refer to YEP compensation plan and monthly promotional bonuses to complete the details. Earning as a YEP member are based solely upon the successful sale of an individual service or membership subscription and their usage of the tools and resources provided by YEP's platform. Individuals will incur expenses in operating their YEP business, such as an enrollment fee and monthly subscriptions, as well as other possible operating expenses. As with any business, earning and success at YEP are not guaranteed, but depend primarily on the individual's persistence, effort, and results of acquiring customers personally and or through their team. The YEP movement started in Thailand January of 2018, where it was founded by CEO Jimmy Zell and co-founder Jack Shaw, and becoming a global movement in so far 10 plus countries. Now, you know where you want to go, right? But we can definitely help you get there faster. You got to understand that there are three pillars which represent what we believe to be the digital future. The first one is education, where you're going to get live online training, community-based content, curated digital training platforms, and much more. Lifestyle, personal discounted travels, shopping, and entertainment portal, and limited vacation incentives, and an opportunity where you get to refer other members and earn commissions based on this opportunity. See, you want to be part of an ideal business model of the 21st century. Let's keep it honest. We all are using our cell phones for everything. So you want something that is crisis-proof, that has no inventory, that is online and digital, that has no income cap, something that is paying in weekly, no employees or overhead, independent, that offers you the opportunity to start at a low startup cost, flexible schedule that you can work around your clock, and community collaboration as well. In every single one of these areas, you can absolutely put a check mark right next to them. Now, let's talk about how success is a DIY project or do it yourself. But here's the thing, that does not mean that you should do it all alone. Within the Young Entrepreneur Project, you're going to be presented with essential business tools where they are provided through training and resources. Essential business tools like social media and marketing training, content development training, lead generation training and tools, social media content, business strategies, customer support training, sales teams, and much more. In other words, it's an effective system with proven results. Now, here are some individuals that we're working with, such as Debbie Morton, who in just 5 months created a full-time income with YEP that now allows her to travel the world working from her phone while earning an income while she sleeps. Or Debbie and Billy Salmons. Debbie and Billy, after retiring at early ages, came out of retirement to build another legacy, joining the Young Entrepreneur Project, or YEP, to be a viral part of a community which teaches, coaches, and mentor others, entrepreneurs, to scale their own businesses as well. Now, you know this guy, he's talking to you right now. So there are three main pillars that allow you to partake. So how does it really work? The first one is the online training and tools, where you get personal development, business development strategies, marketing, and live online training workshops where you get masterminds, events, and on-demand courses as well. Lifestyle and incentives, where you get the Trip Valet platform that can be used as a powerful marketing tool to attract leads for any business. Plus, YEP's members get to use it to travel, network, and explore the world. How about a refer and earn option? A premium global affiliate marketing opportunity where YEP members can earn by referring other members. We also have a fully automated affiliate networking system. See, every member receives immediate access to their own independent affiliate link where they can access their dashboard with all their benefits and sign up new members, all fully tracked and automated. That's scalability and independence at its finest. Now, this right here is innovative. We call this Yup Clips. This is curated training platform from entrepreneurs for entrepreneurs. You're also going to get access to the Trip Valet platform where you get to grow your business and travel more. Now, that is what Trip Valet will and can bring to the table. An amazing marketing tool for any business. And by the way, in the greatest way to explore the world at a discounted rate as well. Included, by the way, with select Yup memberships. Savings and rewards. I love this option because how many of you would agree as an entrepreneur, we're always spending money on our business tools? Well, guess what? You're going to have your own retail store and it's going to provide you savings. Plus, you're going to have up to $2,500 of a credit line that you can use and leverage for your business needs. And here's the best part. No credit check and no interest for life.
Everyone loves travel, and so do your potential customers and clients. Here in Yup, we equip you as an entrepreneur with travel incentives that you can use to promote your business, get more leads, referrals, build relationships, and we provide you not only the incentives, but also education around how you can use them to grow your business. So let's talk about understanding the compensation plan here at Yup. Your Yup Independent Business Membership Startup Fee covers the cost associated with establishing and servicing your business and enables you to conduct business in any country in which Yup operates. In addition, the monthly subscription fee allows you to maintain your business status with Yup. In return, Yup covers a full range of extensive member and customer support services so that you can focus on what matters most, and that is building your business. You must maintain active subscription in order to have access to your Yup back office and to receive commissionable disbursements. If your subscription goes inactive for non-payment, your accumulated volume may be flushed and your position will be suspended or deleted. There is a full compensation plan which details all of which I just shared and what I'm about to share with you. So let's talk about the different memberships that you can enroll in with our community. The first level is what we call a founder, and it is limited to the first 1,000 founders. To join as a founder, it is $1,497 as a one-time enrollment and $97 a month thereafter. And what do you get for that? First of all, we are a mastermind entrepreneurial community, and as such, this also allows you to be a part of an inclusive, all-inclusive mastermind vacation. In other words, we're going to invest back into you. Our first trip was in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. We are now looking at possibly going to Jamaica. We'll pick you up from the airport. We bring you to the resort. You get to mix and mingle with all of the other founding members in a mastermind environment. And that is taken care of by us. You just get to the destination and we are going to pay for that all-inclusive stay. In addition to that, it unlocks the Yup Clips training library. You get access to an unlimited number of high-end travel incentives, over 7,500 resort locations worldwide, and you can use these incentives to generate more leads, create more referrals. You get a private travel membership portal, so you can save money over and above what you would normally book online. And as a founding member, you can be a content curator. In other words, if you have valuable knowledge that can help other entrepreneurs, we invite you to put your training into our platform and have global exposure for yourself and your business as well. A business membership is $447. That's a one-time to join, and $97 a month. And this will get you everything that the founding member does except for the all-inclusive travel vacation mastermind 3-day, 2-night trip. You'll have access to the Yep Clips training library, the unlimited high-end incentives, the travel membership, discounted shopping portal, VIP access to local and regional events. And of course, you can also be a curator. You can put your content into our training library to help other entrepreneurs in their growth. And the third one is a starting member. It is $147.47 a month. With the starting membership, you get access to up to 20 trainings inside of the Yep Clips library. You'll have up to 4 destination travel certificates. You will have an unlimited number of each one of those 4 destinations. It will, however, be limited to 4 destination offers. You'll also have a plus travel membership. You won't have as many activities and items inside of your travel portal, but you will still save money on travel. You also get the discounted shopping portal and access to local, regional, and summit events. If you want to save the monthly subscription, we have a 3 for free program because every entrepreneur knows other entrepreneurs. And when you share your community, when 3 others have enrolled at or above your monthly membership rate, we will waive your monthly membership. How cool is that? You join our community, you share it with 3 other people, and there are no further expenses as long as those 3 individuals remain active with their monthly membership. We also have what we call a rising star bonus. So in addition to the normal compensation plan, which I'll be sharing in just a moment, when you enroll your first 2 members at a business pack or a founding member, then in addition to the normal compensation plan, we also provide an additional $100 bonus on top of the regular compensation plan. So how does a compensation plan work? First of all, we have a 5-day entrepreneurial challenge, and it is free for individuals to go through this 5-day experience. There are some upgrades. So anyone who wants to go through this challenge or share the challenge with others, they are enrolled for free into a challenge affiliate program. And if anyone they refer upgrades for any of the challenge bonuses, they will receive an affiliate commission. We also have the starter pack. We're paid 20% direct bonus on any new enrollees. You get 15% of a lesser team, which I'll describe in just a moment, 30% first generation match, which I'll describe in just a moment, and a 25% customer bonus. We have the business pack. The business pack will pay you a 30% direct bonus, 15% of a lesser team, 30% on 3 generations, and a 25% customer bonus. And as a founding member, we pay you a 40% direct bonus for new enrollees, 15% of the lesser team, 30% on a 5-generation match, and a 25% customer bonus. So what does the dual team bonus plan look like? When you enroll in Yep and you sponsor 2 other people into Yep, you begin creating a left team and a right team. Once those 2 individuals are enrolled, they can go to work enrolling other individuals. You can enroll additional individuals. And as more and more entrepreneurs join these 2 teams, you will be paid 15% of the lesser team each week. So as volume is accumulated on these 2 teams, either by people you enroll, the individuals they enroll, or maybe somebody places individuals below you inside of this team, as your team begins to grow, you get 15% of the lesser team each week. So in this scenario, there is 10,000 bonus volume on the left leg, 15,000 bonus volume on the right leg. You would be paid 15% of 10,000, which is the weaker leg, or check for $1,500 for that week. Now let's say you enroll someone else. you're always going to place your new enrollees at the very bottom of either the left team or the right team. And think about it, now that they're at the bottom of that team, their volume will also accumulate for every single person above them. So inside of this type of a compensation plan, the sooner you make your decision to join us here in YEP, the sooner you can begin building that team and being closer to the top of your sponsor's organization. Inside of this illustration, you can see that each individual who is purple are your personal enrollees, your purple people. So in the next slide, let's show how each of your personal enrollees are now put into a straight line. And this is the matching bonus portion of our compensation plan. So everyone that you personally enroll as a starting member, you will receive 30% of the compensation that they receive in the dual team. You'll get a matching check for 30%. So in other words, if you enrolled someone named Tina, and Tina earns $1,000 this week, you will be paid 30% because Tina earned $1,000, your check would be $300. As a business member, this matching bonus goes 3 levels deep. So let's say Tina enrolls Bob, who enrolls Sarah. And let's say Bob and Sarah both earn $1,000 this week. You would be making $300 on Tina and 20% or $200 on both Bob and Sarah. As a founding member, this structure goes 5 levels deep. So you get 30% on your first level, 20% on your second and third level, and your fourth and fifth levels, you'll receive 15% anytime someone who is 4 or 5 generations deep inside of your personal sponsorship. We also have a structured rank builder bonus that goes anywhere from $1,000 when you hit the rank of silver all the way up to $100,000 when you hit the rank of blue diamond. So for each one of these ranks, as our members achieve these ranks, there is an opportunity to get an additional $1,000 to $100,000 bonus. So what is the goal of members inside of this YEP community? It is to live life to the fullest because you can. Here at YEP, we don't just want to be the best company in the world. We want to be the best company for the world. Thank you for sharing this time with me. If you have any questions about any part of this presentation, feel free to reach out to the person who shared this with you. We're happy to answer any questions for you. We're happy to connect you with someone who can answer any questions for you. And we are super excited to be able to invite you to our amazing community. Let's change the world of entrepreneurship.